As you guys know, my name is Chef Tony. I started cooking a long time ago. My father is a chef, and I learned the basics and the fundamentals from him, the flavor, the seasoning, everything from him. And I just elevated and took it to another step. Born out here in California. My father is from New Orleans, migrated out here. So I am a Cali native. Moved out to the Inland Empire for a while, then moved back to LA. Finished raising my daughter, got married, had another daughter. Oldest daughter in college, started a business, had a new baby. So all this within like 3 years. So it's been a roller coaster ride, but outside of that, I love cooking, I love family, I love the satisfaction that people get from tasting my food. So that is basically me in a nutshell, man. Just a go-getter.
Awesome. And tell us a little bit on organization with this truck. How do you keep this truck organized?
Try to keep everything written down. Make a schedule for yourself. Make a to-do list. Make a checklist. Make a checklist for the checklist. But you are not perfect, and you will forget. No one is that organized. So it's something that is taught over time. So you eventually get a rhythm. So I think mainly how to keep organized is just to stay consistent. Period. Just to be consistent. If you're not consistent, it's hard for you to get organized and stay organized.
And how does it make you feel emotionally when your place is not in order, when it's in disarray and a mess?
Well, I always tell people I never cook when I'm upset or mad or even tired. It's the same way with being organized. Before I cook, I gotta have everything clean, organized. If it isn't, to me that's a representation of your customer service and how the end product will look. So even before I begin, everything has to be in place. That way I know where it's at. We're not fumbling. You create less mess when you're more organized.
And then to all of our new business owners and entrepreneurs, what kind of advice would you give them when it comes to either starting a business, maintaining a business, restarting a business, and the different types of organization that is like imperative in order for them to be successful?
Every situation is different. So it depends on like for me, starting a business was different than someone who was starting a business and they were single. Me, I had a daughter going to college, had to plan a wedding, having a newborn baby, so starting one for me was hard. You had to just pretty much take it day by day. I guess you say the steps is always do your research. That's number one. Do your research, go around, ask someone who's already in the business, their advice, talk to family, and then before you actually cut the ribbon or cut the tape, do a little test market, whatever your business is, whether it's cooking, athletics, music, whatever it is, testing on those closest to you first and see what the response is, because they'll tell you what you need to tweak. But like I said, no one's perfect, so when you actually do cut the tape, you're still going to get feedback on what to change or how to tweak things. But definitely start with your research, advice, family. Start with the bare minimum. If you have a nice cushion, pay all that stuff up front that is reoccurring, like your rent, bills, utility, whatever it is, pay that up front, because the first 3 years of any business is hard. You won't see a profit until your third year. Your first year is just growing pains. Your second year is now you're making a little bit of profit. Your third year is like, okay, cool. The business that I have, the restaurant business, the profit margin is very, very small. But if you have a niche, something different, set yourself aside, then it helps. Branding yourself, creating a product that you can sell in the stores or whatever it is. Definitely want to brand yourself. You definitely want to make money in your sleep. That residual income is or your end game. You don't want to work every day. You don't want to do that. You want to be able to diversify and sell things that you created to people. Don't be emotionally attached. That's number one in business. Don't be emotionally attached because it's not worth it. Yeah. Don't be a slave to your art. Don't be a slave to your art.
And then one quick last question, word of advice or just a piece of information you want to share with the world. It doesn't necessarily have to be organization, but just anything that you want to pass on to other people.
Definitely keep God in the center of everything that you do. I've had so many signs given to me, and He will give you those signs on which way to take your business and what not to do, who to mess with, who not to mess with. So definitely do that. Keep your business and family separated, but definitely don't keep your business from your family. Let them know what's going on.
A little fun fact, can you tell us what your favorite thing on the menu is?
Favorite? My favorite? Wow.
That you can eat any day, all day.
Man. That mac and cheese.
Oh, I'm gonna have to try that.
The mac and cheese. Yeah. And then second, I would say it's either one of these desserts.
Definitely trying that menu. Definitely. And then just give us what is your social media or any kind of contact info to find you.
Social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Eat Occasion on all platforms. EATOCCASION. Eat Occasion. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Chef Tony. Appreciate it, and hope to see you soon.
Make sure y'all come get some of this lemonade too.